What I'm going to do is I'm going to make some book toys for my rescue, and I thought this would be a good time to make a video for everybody else to make them too. So this is a children's book. I got them at the Dollar Tree. So you want a book that's at least 100 pages. So what we start is, I start with holding the covers. And then breaking the spine because I want this to become a circle. And I usually do 4 sections. And then move to the side. And then what we do is we start folding. You do not want to fold the pages. You want to keep them bubbly as much as possible. That will give you the round shape that we are looking for. I'm not done yet, but since I want it to be round, it was folding up very nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch holes with the 2 covers together, fairly close to the spine as much as possible. I'm going to make 2 holes with my tool right here and put in a zip tie and see how that works. Okay, so there you go. Now it is a round folded book.